少安、小当家，我要求你们两个比赛麻婆豆腐。道地的四川料理讲求辣、香、色、烫、麻5种味道合二为一，五味合一就是四川料理的极致。
The origin of Mapo tofu can be traced during the Qing dynasty to a couple named Chen, who ran a small eatery in North Chengdu. The pock-marked face of Mrs. Chen, Ma meaning freckles, Po meaning an elderly woman. Chen Mapo, as she came to be known, had her own unique way of cooking tofu, famous for its pleasant look, smell, and taste. Thus, this dish is loved as a Chinese food staple, spreading nationwide. In 1958, a Sichuan chef Jianming Chen traveled to Japan, opened the first Sichuan cuisine restaurant in Japan, Sichuan Fandian. Then, lots of Sichuan cuisine dishes were introduced to Japanese. Today, we're gonna do Mapo tofu, but firstly, I'm gonna call a friend, Toshi. Hamaya Toshi, a friend of mine, an experienced cook from Tokyo, Japan. Hi Toshi!
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, good. Thank you.
I know you are a chef, but do you know how to cook Mapo tofu?
Yes, of course. I can make Japanese style mapo豆腐.
How about we have a Mapo tofu get together today? We'll get our ingredients and we will meet up and we'll cook our style of Mapo tofu. You cook the
Okay,
Japanese.
sure. Okay,
Sounds good? Okay, great. See you later. Toshi.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye bye. I invited Toshi today because I want to see what a Japanese Mapo tofu is like. Meanwhile, I'll be doing the typical Chinese style. Okay, so now we're getting our ingredients for our Sichuanese style Mapo tofu. I'm here at this Yuling market, slightly different than a supermarket. This is a market by itself. This is our Chengdu local, where we would like to go to get ingredients for our meals. So let's come inside with me. Today, I'll be asking for help from Mr. Hu Xiaoyong, who is a master chef from Sichuan Cuisine Museum. We call him Master Hu. Actually, I'm not sure. I gotta ask Master Hu what ingredients do we need for our Sichuanese style Mapo tofu. Let me send him a WeChat. If it's red Mapo tofu, do we need tomatoes? Ah, there we go. Okay, so what we need: chili powder, and we need minced beef, and tofu, cornstarch. Okay.
生徒にはね、市場結構いっぱいあるんですけど、私はね、やっぱりこういうスーパーマーケットで。いやー、これ綺麗だな。OK、まず麻婆豆腐なんでね。
有没得水面啊，老板？
まあそれとニンニクね。
一杯可以。谢谢。
ごま油ね。お、これこれが良かったんだ。よし、これにしよう今日は。
这个上面还有好多那种洞哦。
那个豆腐在哪里？豆腐。哎，对。
这个它可以呀。
どうしてもいるんだけど、私はやっぱり絹ごし豆腐派だな。これで今日は美味しい麻婆豆腐作りましょう。
Okay, I sent him a photo. 谢谢。
さあ、麻婆豆腐に必要な材料全部揃ったから、よしこれから美味しい麻婆豆腐を作るぞ。
Toshi and I are now at Sichuan Cuisine Museum, a level 3 national museum. It has the collection of more than 6,000 pieces of antiques and cultural relics, with its architectural style of classical garden scenery and traditional Western Sichuan-styled folk houses. Apart from these, it provides Sichuan cuisine cooking classes to visitors under the guidance of their senior chefs. Do you know why we're here today?
I don't know.
If you're interested in cooking, we can come here and learn from master chefs here.
香肠 right?
Chinese sausage.
Yeah.
We have this during Chinese New Year as well. Have to prepare in advance. I will make another episode of this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like very soon. 胡老师，
你好。
Hello. 这是胡老师 This is Toshi.
你好，你好，Toshi。
这边带个葡萄。
好。
我们现在看一下我们这个郫县豆瓣啊。
好。
因为说郫县豆瓣它要分的哈，就是麻婆豆腐比较4年的豆瓣酱，它做起来更香。
2018年。
对，4年的啊，4年的。
哇，
它
这个颜色深
它就要
了。
深了一些，它的酱香味要浓一些。
Do you use bean paste as well for your dish today?
Yeah, but not this one. Yeah, but not this
You
one.
have
But
Japanese bean paste.
no, no. Actually, I buy here. You know. Yeah.
Bean paste is a kind of seasoning brewed from beans, peas, and chili peppers. It firstly emerged in Western Han Dynasty by an accidental way of storing food. Scored a lucky hit, it's been loved ever since and become, they call, the sole ingredients of Sichuan cuisine.
Wait. Before I cook the food, I need one extra. I have to change my clothes.
Our Mapo Tofu get together starts now.
Yay.
Okay.
对。再碎或者多碎都可以。他用的是葱，我用的是蒜苗，而且豆腐可能选择不一样。我们这是卤水豆腐，也叫淡水豆腐。
哇，猪油，是猪肉的。
对，拌油熬制而成的。
Yeah, some pig fat, pig fat.
Here's pork fat. Oh, it's different. Yeah, different. Yeah, okay. I use sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Yeah.
那就是加入辣椒面。
哇，好香啊！
这个辣椒面，then add 豆瓣酱，barbecue sauce, oyster sauce.
我们的肉都是后面放的，
Oh, afterward.
牛肉末，就芡粉。
Smells so nice. Both of my sides.
Then
哇，好香啊！我的天，已经做好了吗？
做好了。
哇，现在好激烈啊！我的天，两边都觉得，哇，这边好多。There's so many meat.
yeah.
We only have like a few.
Yeah.
撒上花椒面。
Finished on this side. Still going.
Wait. ，I love like this, you know. Use a fresh black pepper on it. Okay. This is my麻婆豆腐.
Okay, so our mapo tofu is done. Chinese style, and I have Japanese style here. Who wants to try? It looks so nice.
Yeah. Okay.
这个要好滋水。
要喝汁水，揉了一下。
好吃。
好辣！It's very spicy.
Nice，很香。
我换一个勺子。Oh, that's all meat. Wow, so many meat for the Toshi.
The same when you eat.
Sweet.
Yeah. Like you know the 冻饭. Yeah.
Yeah, dong.
Yeah.
川菜到日本它是改良过的 ，people trying to like change the taste of that dish to get the local
应该
to
是
like
就
it.
是依自己的口味给它改善过。因为川菜哈，它有麻婆豆腐，它本来就是个麻辣味的，但是这个豆腐啊，它就有甜味，有一点点，做的还是非常好。
Less oil and less spice, you know.
And
Like
how about the taste?
this
of
this one is very nice, very nice. And also once I eat his麻婆豆腐很香 and also the spicy, it's everything mixed together. That's so nice, you know.
If you're gonna eat, which one?
Oh, what's this one?
You should say this one.
No.
I think.
Yeah, better. You know, I try my best. I followed the old Japanese recipe, but I still prefer the classic the 四川麻婆豆腐。
因为我们川菜哈，它讲究色香味咸哈，它要体现出8大特点出来，有麻辣、鲜香、酥嫩、整烫。
Good.
Yeah.
You know the Viki now many Japanese love Sichuan cuisine. Slowly understanding the Sichuan cuisine, you know, and also the culture, everything. Like you know the Haidilao in Tokyo, it's I think every day paitoi, very long one, longer than in here. After you know my retirement, maybe I will bring the Sichuan chef from here, bring to the Japan. Then I open the Sichuan restaurant maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, nice, right?
I just see this, culture appreciation. Like you guys are loving Sichuan food and like Chinese food, and here like we love Japanese food. There's so many like sushi restaurants.
Yeah.
And omakase
Yeah,
restaurants.
everywhere. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm really glad that we have like nowadays this timing we have like we could share all these goodness of food. We have this chance to. Well, cheers. Mapo豆腐get together.